If the counts object has a value of the number 2, then that means the user has rolled a pair. Again, start by using the object values method. Oops, it seems it's similar to this one. So let us call the object values method. So what this does again is that it is a built-in method of JavaScript that extracts the values from an iteratable object, which could be an array, list, or objects. And in our case, that would be an array called counts. Oops. Then chain the includes method. So includes method here, number 2. So again, what does include method does again? Let's take a step back and have a review again. For example, we do have an array called array, and then we have an element of 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if we console.log, access the array, and then check a condition, number 3, console.log again, console, access the array, includes number 6. So we have here our array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, and we used the includes rather. And we access the array, and then interpolated a method called includes, and with an argument of 3. So what does this do is that we access an array and then checks if a certain value is there or not. In our case, it would be number 3. We access the array, and then if it includes number 3, 1, 2, 3, oops, it does. So therefore, this would turn true. In the second one, we access the array, and then it includes a certain value 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It does not include the number 6. Therefore, this will output as false. So what does the include method do? It accesses an array and checks a certain value if it is there or not. It either outputs true or false. So, and lastly, assign that result to a const variable called has pair. Okay, so how does JavaScript reads this? So so we have a variable has pair assigned to the object values const. Therefore, we extracted the values, the we extracted the enumerable values with the use of the object of values method inside an iteratable object. In our case, that would be the counts. So if it includes the number 2 inside this array, then perhaps it will generate, if it includes the number 2 or not in the counts array, it either outputs or generates an array with this. Wait, what? No way, I'm stuttering. Okay, let's take a step back. We have a hasper variable assigned to the object values method, correct? And then we tried to extract the values, in the enumerable values of an iteratable object, which in our case would be an array. And then it checks if it has a certain value of 2 inside this array. And it would then generate a new array, just like the map function. So it does not modify the original array, but rather generates a new array with this condition. So and in this one, it will generate a new array with this condition and this one. So that would be it. Very good, very nice.